Hello students, welcome back to MS PowerPoint class. Today we are going to discuss from Insert tab in that illustrations group, clip art, photo album and shapes option. Last class we discussed from illustration group picture, like how to insert picture and all. In this class we are discussing clip art. Here you can see the picture of the clip art. It is used to insert clip art from the clip art library of MS PowerPoint. Steps to insert clip art. Okay, clip art, already the predefined clip arts are stored inside the PowerPoint in a clip art gallery. You can choose clip art and you can insert it to PowerPoint presentation. Okay, steps to insert clip art here. First, open MS PowerPoint file and select the slide that contains a clip art option in its slide layout. Okay, now slide layout, different types of slide layout we discussed. In that you have to choose the slide layout in which the clip art option is there, or on the insert tab in the illustration group click the clip art button. That also you can do, else you can select the in which slide layout the clip art is there, that slide you can insert, else you can click on insert tab in that illustration group and that click the clip art button. Step 3 will be click the clip art icon in the slide. Okay, it is a placeholder here. Like on the slide you are getting this one placeholder, clip art placeholder. You have to click on that clip art placeholder. Okay, that you can do. Then clip art. The next fourth step will be select the current entry in the search for box or click in the box if there is no entry. Type flowers, click go. See here, whenever you click on clip art, you will get this clip art task pane. In this clip art, here search for option is there. You wanted to include any flower pictures, like you can give flower. Any other categories if you want, you can give that, like symbol of building, symbol of phone, symbol of mobile, anything you can give here and you can search for that particular picture. It will be selected from the clip art gallery that will be displayed here on this window. Okay, whichever picture you want you can choose that and you can click on OK. See, our next step is there. Click the selected clip art in a fifth step. Once it appears at the center of the slide or select the clip art, it appears a small arrow at the right of the slide of the clip art. Click the arrow and then insert. Just you have to choose the clip art and click on that, automatically that will be inserted to your slide. Okay, when you are finished using the clip gallery, click the close button on the clip gallery title bar. You can click on the close button of this clip gallery. It will be the clip gallery will be closing, but whichever clip art you selected, that will be inserted to your slide. Okay, this is about you are inserting clip art to the MS PowerPoint presentation. Very simple steps. Similar way how you are inserting the picture, same method you are using here also in clip art. Same method you are used in MS Word also. Okay, here also same method. Next will be here from the illustration group one more option, photo album. Here you can see the picture photo album. Okay, whichever photos, like if you have in your computer photos of any birthday party or photos of any wedding ceremony or any function of your home, You want to make one photo album, then this is the option. You can make those all photos all together. You can set in one photo album that you can do it easily in PowerPoint. Okay, a PowerPoint photo album is a presentation that you can create to display your personal or business photographs. You can add effects that include attention grabbing slide transitions, colorful backgrounds, and specific layouts and more. Like you can create your own photo album using this option. After the pictures are in the album, you can add captions, adjust the order and layout, add frames around the pictures, and even apply a theme to further customize the look of the photo album. You can do anything. You can create your own photo album through this option. Many photos are there. You want to make one photo album of all the occasions. You can create your own photo album through this. Here, this picture shows the photo album dialog box. In this dialog box, there will be in upper part, you can see in clear in computer also as well as here. Like album, here you can pictures whichever you added that will be displayed here in preview. Like pictures in album that will be listed in this window, and in this window pictures will be listed and the pictures will be displayed this side preview. Okay, and you can insert picture from, like if you are inserting with the any pen drive, any disk, that you can insert from this file or this, and you can add some text to that picture. Insert text is there. Okay, in this dialog box everything is there. You can insert the picture. Okay, and you can create your own photo album through this. Okay, that steps options are there how to create your photo album photo album. Like this dialog box will be used. You have to add all the photos here that you can preview here, and whenever you press this create button, automatically that photo album will be created in a new PowerPoint window. Okay, new PowerPoint presentation will be created using your all photos. Okay, this is your photo album dialog box. Okay, here to create the photo album, the steps are there. Insert picture from a file or disk to photo album. Like that, for that steps are on the insert tab. Okay, in the illustration group, click the arrow under photo album and then click new photo album. Like you want to create a new photo album, click on new photo album. Second step, in the photo album dialog box, under insert picture from, click file or disk. Like if you are inserted pen drive in that pictures are there, you can select from that. Else if you are having in your computer itself in a hard disk, if the pictures are there, you can select from that. Like any other external source also, you can select the pictures. Step 3, in the insert new pictures dialog box, locate the folder that contains the picture that you want to insert and then click the insert option. Next, insert picture from a file or disk to photo album. In that, the fourth step, if you want to preview a picture file in your photo album, under pictures in album, click the file name of the picture that you want to preview and then view it in the preview window. Automatically, whenever you click on the photo, that will be displayed in the preview window. Okay, next step, if you want to change the order in which the pictures are displayed, under pictures in album, click the file name of the picture that you want to move and then use the arrow buttons to move it up or down in the list. Like you want to arrange, sort out the pictures according to occasions. At that time, you can move the pictures through arrow keys, else you can move through mouse pointer also. Step 6, in the photo album dialog box, click create. You have to click on create button. Okay, create button. When you click, the photo album will be created in a new MS PowerPoint presentation. You can name that presentation by your own given name, like for what you created a photo album, that occasion name you can put for that photo album, the presentation. Okay, next is simple one, shapes. Already you are done in Word, I think. If you have PC or laptop at home, you can try this one, photo album as well as clip art as well as picture. Okay, similar options, this shapes is there in Word also. Already I have given here one icon, shapes, used to insert different shapes to slides like lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, callouts and stars and banners. Different kinds of shapes you can insert to your presentation. Steps on the home tab, in the drawing group or on insert tab in the illustration group, click shapes. You have to click on shapes. Next step, click shapes, down arrow. A list of shapes gallery opens. The different shapes will be open on the screen. Which shape you want, you have to select from the gallery. Whenever you select the shape, automatically the mouse pointer changes to plus sign. Okay, you can drag the shape on a slide. You can drag the shape on a slide. Okay, this is the steps to insert the shapes. Whichever shape you want, you can insert. You can make modification on shape by cropping or crawling, by moving. Anything you can do with the shape. There will be mouse pointer. It will change. At that time, you can drag that shapes and you can make a changes there. Okay, this is about a shape. Okay, next class we are discussing few more options of the illustration groups, that is smart art and chart. Okay, today the important questions from this topic are, what is photo album? Okay, 2 marks question they will ask. You have to define what is photo album of MS PowerPoint presentation. And sometime for 5 marks they will ask like these questions. Explain the steps to insert clip art picture on a slide. You have to explain the steps to insert the clip art picture on a slide. What steps you will follow? That steps you have to write. Okay. Next, one more question. Explain the steps to create photo album in MS PowerPoint. How you will create a photo album? That steps you have to write through the MS PowerPoint. Okay. Have a good day. Be healthy and be safe.